Hello, it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Today's video we're gonna be about my daughter's nails. She's 6 years old and she begged me to do a manicure for her. So I will show you how I do manicure with a e-filing around the cuticle and just a normal nail polish overlay. So I've tried to do for her a J overlay when we were bored and nothing to do, and she was quite curious, how is it everything, and I want glitters, I want everything, she said. So I did everything for her, and later on she was biting it all off. So I said I'm not doing gel overlay anymore, so it will be just a normal gel polish, and she will gonna be more than happy with that. So I started to push in the cuticle. As you can see, she's got quite chunky cuticle. It's stuck to the nail plate very well, so I'm trying to do that very gently with a wooden pick and with an e-filing drill bit, red marker for her nails, and just with very little touching. Try to remove the dead skin in the cuticle area. In the overall, what do you think about doing the manicure for such a young age? To me, I thought it's a quite a good idea for little girls to learn how to go through the process of a manicure, and also it helps look after their nails and the cuticle. So I was thinking, why not? She's quite happy with that. It's like a communication also between mommy and daughter. She's absolutely loving it. The whole process is like too many questions. Mommy, what are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now? Are you gonna do this or that? Because she's watching the videos with me as well, so she's quite aware of the whole process. Before, when it was gel overlay, so it does take a bit longer than just normal gel overlay, normal nail polish. So she's not quite patient with that, but that manicure they take us about 40 minutes, I would say, because I'm trying to make everything very careful and gently, so I do not damage anything. And for them little nails, and as you can see, them little fingers going everywhere, touching everything. So yeah, she's happy. So after I've done on a forward regime, I'm going on to the reverse regime, and I've done all the areas and nail sites. I took the 240 nail file just to file the free edge, make the form of like an oval. I didn't try to make the manicure an absolutely perfect, just in case, so it doesn't go way too far. So the fingers and the skin is quite sensitive, so try to be very careful. After I finished filing the free edge, so I took scissors for my left hand scissors and cut in the cuticle around. Try to be very careful again, because the cuticle is very sensitive any little wrong moves and very easy to cut, much more than it expected. After all cuticle is being removed, I'm taking another drill, like a polishing drill bit, to polish the cuticle area, the nail sides. It helps to smooth the skin and get rid of what is left on the skin, like a dead bits of the skin is left. The final touch before nail polish overlay, I'm buffing the nails, just a quick one to smooth the nails, and it will gonna be the cleansing to get rid of the dust. From a nail polish, I do not have a very big selection, but I do have quite a few. So my daughter chose two colors. Of course, one is having glitters, the blue one. They are from Maybelline. It's quite a good product, but not for us, because Sophia got rid of the cover just by end of the day. So I'm doing a second application just to make the color a bit more pigmented and to brighten the design. And that's pretty much it. All it's done. She's happy. If you like that video, please put a thumb up. Put your comments below if you have any suggestion regarding that young age manicure. And bye bye for now. We'll see you in my next videos.